We're in the mouth of Rock Canyon. We're blessed to have such a treasure so close to campus. Some really exciting things have happened in cooperation with Provo. This year, the Trailhead Park update was all completed. We've been able to establish a conservation easement here.
For the past year, me and a small group of students have identified and collected wildflowers throughout the Wasatch Front, and our goal is to create landscapes that require much less water and are therefore much more sustainable. This cheatgrass, see, it's all of this purple stuff. We want it out before the seeds drop. Cheatgrass makes us vulnerable to wildfires, whereas this stuff that will stay green obviously protects against raging forest fires.
So every weed that you pull means there's more water and other resources for the wildflowers. We have agreements with the Forest Service and Provo City that we can collect wildflower seeds on their property. Unfortunately, right now you can't go to the store and buy them. So we have to collect them from the wild, and we clean them and store them. We do research on them.
To help restore this area to its full glory, back to a native landscape that requires less water and is more beautiful. There's such a community that loves this space, including myself. I grew up in Provo and I love the canyon.
My dream is that the native grasses and wildflowers and shrubs will be thriving, that people can see more wildlife, see more butterflies. We need that connection with nature. I think it's a spiritual need for many of us.